Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pork vegetable lumpia. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready. Next, we'll prepare the savory filling, combining ground pork with a medley of finely chopped vegetables and seasonings. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps of rolling each lumpia wrapper perfectly. Finally, we'll fry them until they're beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy, ready to be enjoyed. Let's start by creating our flavorful filling. You'll need 1 pound of ground pork, along with about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, finely diced. Combine the pork and vegetables in a bowl, then add your preferred seasonings like garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands to ensure all ingredients are well incorporated and the flavors meld together. Now for the fun part, rolling the lumpia. Lay a single lumpia wrapper flat on a clean surface, oriented like a diamond. Place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling near the bottom point. Fold the bottom point up over the filling, then fold in the left and right sides to create an envelope shape. Roll the lumpia tightly away from you, sealing the top edge with a little water to secure it. Finally, it's time to fry your lumpia until they are perfectly crispy. Heat about 2 inches of neutral cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the lumpia in the hot oil, frying them in small batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until they are golden brown. Drain on paper towels and serve immediately with a delicious dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.